Hello guys, this is Adam from the Adam Lab, and this is the iPhone 13 mini with the color pink with 128 storage, and it's the new phone that was released by Apple just a few days ago. I chose the color pink because I am all about pink and orange. So let's go ahead and open the box. The boxes now, they don't come with a plastic wrapping, to save the environment and all of that. So we'll go ahead and open the box. Here we have the phone, beautiful in its pink color, and aside from the phone, which we will put it aside, we will get designed by Apple California, and aside from that we will get the charging cable, which is USB-C to Lightning. So we will set everything aside and let's go to the phone. So I will unwrap it, and then here we have the Apple logo. From the Apple logo we get the new welcome screen, which is from the iOS 15, and we will go ahead and set up the phone. So we have English, United States, set up manually, and then we choose Wi-Fi, privacy, Face ID. I will not do a passcode, and I will not sign into iCloud, and I will only enable locations, and I will set up everything later because in the meantime I don't have to deal with that. And here we have the home screen for iOS 15. We will go to Safari and then to the Apple Store online, and here we have the 13 Pro, as we can see, with its beauty. So this is the phone, and that is the size. Let's do a quick comparison between the 12 mini and the 13 mini. As you can see, the screens are the same and the size is identical between the two. The only thing is the 12 is reflective while the 13 is not. So I will put both of these on the table, and I will turn the first off and then the second off. And here are your both minis. Let me know if there is any testing you want me to do. Aside from that, take care.